Hey there guys, today, this video is my 10th subscriber special, so I'm really want to give a big thanks to all of you guys for giving me 10 subscribers on my channel. And we're doing a house tour, so let's get started. While I'm doing this house tour, there's also going to be some changes, okay? Alright, let's go in. This is the front door. Okay, Mom. And then we have the playroom. Nothing switched, just this. And then this is the guest room. And then any changes. And here's the dining room. Hi, Tobin, Sonny. Yeah, it's the dining room. And also, we changed our lamps. Except this one. Still needs a new light bulb though. Anyways, today's kitchen, nothing changed. Everything's normal. And so is the pantry. We got pizza. And then there's the living room. That's the laundry that I did. Now, laundry room. Just one small change. Usually there's a piece of wood under the washing machines. Now they're just right there. And now let's go. We just want to go to quick stage, okay? Let's wrap up this room. So let's turn the light on. Nothing really changed. Just that thing was over there before. And now, if you guys remember my message to Plush Star video, it's a little different. So yeah, the bathroom, nothing changed. And now, are you guys ready for the big moment? Oh, of course, you look there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What do you guys think? My mom has painted and remodeled my room. The paint is a kind of a periwinkle, like periwinkle. Also, Terrence has been chewed on. Ugh, I hate those dogs. Anyways, yeah, my toy box used to be over there, and now it's right there. And then this is my dresser. Here, let's come to the mirror. By the way, Mom didn't take those two things off. And then we have my lamp. And then we have my radio. And then we have my snow globe. And by the way, this is my older dresser. I actually made this at school. What do you guys think? I made a snowman. Oh, still did. And then my bed. And then my bed was over there. And then there's I got the big bear, the giant bear, and my Scooby-Doo sleeping bag. I don't fit in it anymore. And now my bed is right there. Now I won't get scared during the night. Because usually I face this way. Oh, and up there, that's a sailor whale. And then we have banana monkey. Yeah. How you doing? Oh, I'm doing okay. And whatever. Hey, this isn't a plush video. Oh, sorry. So yeah, my toy box, which is actually usually broken. And then you guys remember these posters? They were hung up in my room. Also, there was wall stickers. There's Mom, and I just got to take these down and take the wall stickers off. I really loved it when I really loved it when those Mario wall stickers were on. And then in here is all my board games, blankets, my dominoes, and I kept my posters in here. I'll make a separate video of me showing all my posters. And then, of course, my other shirts. Got my plaid shirt. And this is actually my closet. But I don't really use it very much. Look at all these hangers. So many hangers. And yeah, we have so many hangers. Look. We have so many hangers. Here's, I could literally just take a hanger and just put a shirt on there. Isn't that cool, guys? We have so many hangers. I might just open the thrift store. But yeah, this was in my closet. I just took it out. Oh, and remember my 4th YouTube channel? Yeah, my Mario Kart circuit is now in there. It used to be on the floor before they remodeled my room. Now it's in there. And it's also taken apart. And then my trash can is also right there. And then my lunch basket was right there. Now it's gonna be over there. And that's my clothes I just was wearing. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Hello. So yeah, guys, be sure to give this video a like if you like my content. And also thank you for and once again, guys, thank you so much for 10 subscribers. Let's see if I can reach 20 subscribers. If I reach 20, then I will do another 20 subscriber special. Also, guys, what do you think of my yellow hair? Get it? Yellow hair. Because I'm wearing yellow and yellow. Actually, it's kind of a greenish yellow. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.